nation, or lead an organization with integrity. Direct the military in ways that are less expected. Lead as an example of effortlessness. Lao Tzu then asks, how do I know this? By observing how the more rules and regulations there are, the less people prosper. The more weapons there are, the less people feel safe. The more clever the strategies are to manipulate, the less people want to follow or unite. When too many restrictions stifle natural growth, people's thoughts turn to thievery or breaking laws. Thus, a wise leader notices how, when one practices non-action, people often look to themselves for answers. And when one is quiet and practices non-interference, people often regulate themselves more naturally. And when one stops pushing for economic growth, people often prosper in more natural ways. Notice how, when one lives with less effort, people around them relax and return to a more natural simplicity.